Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you 3 super ways to convert any data image into fully editable Excel sheet. Whether you are organizing finance, digitalizing your business records, or just want to save time. This tutorial is going to be a massive time saver, and the best part, you don't have to type a single word manually. So if you talk about the use cases, you can extract tables from textbooks, turn meeting whiteboards photos into Excels, or just back up important handwritten notes in the Excel form. Now, first of all, what you have to do is just open your browser and type for 365 Excel and click the first link. And the first, you have to sign up for free, and if you have already an account, you can just sign in. After sign up or signing, you will get to see this kind of interface. So what you have to do is just simply click on the create blank workbook. So it will create a blank page where you can add your photo. Now after creating a blank page, you have to go to into data. In the top you will get to see this. Just simply click on that. Now here you will get to see this data from picture, where you can add your picture or a table through image. Just simply click on that and choose your image and open it. Now it will analyze your photo and it will show you a preview of the extracted data. Some areas may be given in red because Excel thinks that he is unsure about them. So take a moment to fix those manually. This will ensure accuracy. Check for types of missing values. Now what you have to do is, as you can see here, I will remove this because just add and this one as well, accept it. Now click on the insert data to insert this table into your MX Excel. Now again click on the insert data, just simply insert. Now select the desired location and insert it. As you can see here, we have successfully inserted data in the Excel sheet. Now you can move it to your desired location, or you can adjust columns and row size. Now add bold headers or borders for clarity. Now after doing all of those things, what you have to do is just simply click export as a CSV. Now just go to in the files and search for export. As you can see, exports. Now download as a CSV. So just simply click on that, open it again after downloading. So just click on open again with just once. So as you can see here, we have successfully created that data into from we have successfully extracted data from image into Excel sheet. So this is the first method, and let's use second method. So first of all, you have to head over again to your browser and search for ChatGPT. It is one of the easiest way you can do that. And click. You have first, if you are new, you can just sign up and log in with ChatGPT. So after logging in, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is just simply go in your downloads where you have saved your image and just drag into your chat GPT. Now give a prompt that says convert into MS Excel file. So it will just extract all the data from the image and it will convert into MS Excel. So it is one of the easiest way you can do that. GPT will scan this image, extract all of those things. As we can see, your Excel file has been created. Just simply click on that. It will start downloading, and I have to save this into somewhere. So save it and reopen it. So as you can see here, we have the data is not that accurate, what you have to do is just go into chat GPT and say extract the data and present as it is, and it will extract those numbers and all the data in the form of table, and you have to just simply copy that and paste it into sheet. So I think this is not working. So what you have to do is, as you can see here, you have to then adjust the columns and rows to make it more clear. So yeah, this is how you can extract data from photos to MS Excel and then save it for later for as a backup. Now you can save as a CSV and all of those things. You can download as a PDF as well. Now the third method is you have to open your browser and search for image to Excel. So it will give you this website which is convert image to Excel, imageexcel.com, and you have to just simply upload that image which you have want to scrap the data. So you are on the demo page that allows only 5 images conversion per day. Do you want to upload? Okay, I will upload. So it will scan, allow your browser to run all the site script, check ad blocker. So what I have to do is just simply block it and refresh it and put that image again. Yes, demo wait time 60 seconds. Please wait 30 seconds to process the next file. So I think it will take a little time. So as you can see here, he analyzed all the data and presented in the form of this. Now this is a totally accurate layout. Accuracy is 91%. You can change the data from here as well. Now you have to download table output as a CSV, and just simply, or you can download as a Excel as well. So simply I will do okay, CSV, and give the path and reopen again. So it will reopen. So as you can see here, so this third method is not might be the perfect one, but it is still way faster than manual typing. So you can do that. Now you just learned 3 powerful ways to convert any image into Excel. No typing, no stress, just clean. You can edit spreadsheet in a minute. If this helped you, then smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.